to my channel. Today I created a couple cards using Spellbinders. July's card cat a month. It was called Under the Sea Magic. Oh my goodness, I think it was kind of cute kit. It surely was. So it was about mermaids and seahorses and unicorn, I think this is called. So I think it was really cute. And this was the die that came with it. You had a couple of mermaids, and you had some starfishes and some fish in there, and you had a clam in there, and the clam could layer, and you could also make some bubbles in there out of this. So it was right. I like the die set. And then this is the stamp set of the month. And let's see, I bought in a couple of dies called waffle flower a 2-layer die set. I bought Stencil Life die set in. I bought Scissored Circle dies. I bought in Spellbinders, Elegant Twisted Circles, Hemstitch Rectangles, Elegant Twisted Rectangles. This is called don't remember. I didn't use to label them before, but I label them now. I'm not sure what this company is. And then I use this border. I meant to use underneath here. I have a wave border, but I grabbed the wrong die, and instead I grabbed this border, thinking that was the wave border. But I made it work anyway, so it was what it was. And so I'm gonna show you the cards I made. And so here's this one where it says, "It is the heart of gold and stardust soul that makes you beautiful." And I put some gems on there. And here is where you have the wave. And I was trying to make it like where you have bubbles coming out underneath the sea. And then I had this one where you have, says today is your day. It was a quite simple card. And I just took the, what are these things called? Anchors. And then I put some gold gems on there. And then here's another quite simple one. Is where you're magic. No, it says you're made out of magic. And here you have the unicorn. And I have some gold gems on here. And this is what the mermaids look like. And this is the clams. But I was talking about they can layer on top of each other. And then it says you're amazing. And this is what I was saying when I used the wrong border die. But I made it work anyway. So it was what it was. And this is a circle. And in this one, I took this is where I had the circles. And I took this lady, and it says, always chasing rainbows. And here I put a purple clam there. And I used some, I won't say these like between blue and purple gems. And then with this one, I bought in my own cardstock because I thought it looked better on black versus white. And I really like this one. This turned out to be my favorite. And it was the last one I made too. And so this one says magic, and then I layered the unicorn on top of the unicorn on top of it. And I bought it. Oh yeah, and I bought some glitter cardstock too. And I think it turned out really cute. I like this one. This one last one I made it was so cute. So until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.